realized that we also have a lot of operational data that we aren't currently using or displaying to the public in an easy and digestible way. So the idea behind OK Snowplows was to take all that data and turn it to something useful for the travelers. We launched the statewide snowplow naming contest. We invited kids K through 12 across the state to submit names for the snowplows, and the public ended up naming 24 of our entire fleet, and then the crews helped name the rest of them.
The snowplow naming contest winners got to come up to the DOT and the districts and actually get their picture taken with their snowplow that they named.